Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Mark. We're really happy you're here.
Today's topic is so important: how to talk about yourself in English.
Yes, this skill helps you make friends, talk in class, and start conversations anywhere.
So, Mark, how do you usually introduce yourself?
I keep it simple. I say, "Hi, I'm Mark."
Yes. And I say, "Hi, I'm Emily.
You can also add, "Nice to meet you."
It's great to meet you."
Very easy, but very natural.
After your name, you can talk about your country.
Yes, you can say, "I'm from Canada,"
Or, I come from Thailand.
or "I live in Phnom Penh now."
My hometown is small but beautiful.
These help people understand your background.
Many learners ask, should I say my age?
It depends. If you want to, you can.
You can say, I'm 25 years old.
Or, "I'm in my 20s.
Or, I'm not too young, not too old.
That one always sounds cute.
What's another important part of talking about yourself?
Your job or your daily life.
Yes, you can say, "I'm a student.
Or, "I work in a bank."
I teach English."
If you don't work, you can say, "I stay at home and take care of my family."
How can we describe our family in simple English?
Just short sentences.
You can say, "I have one brother.
I have 2 sisters.
I live with my parents."
Or, "I live with my wife and children."
Family sentences always sound warm. What about personality? How do you describe yourself?
I say, "I'm friendly and calm."
I say, "I'm kind and easy to talk to."
You can say, "I'm a quiet person."
I'm a happy and positive person.
These help people understand who you really are.
Hobbies are my favorite part of self-introduction.
Because you have many.
Yes, a little too many.
You can say, "I like reading."
I enjoy cooking.
You can say, "I love playing sports."
My hobby is painting.
Hobbies make conversations fun.
Talking about what you like is very helpful.
Yes, you can say, "I like music."
I like watching movies.
You can also say what you don't like. I don't like waking up early.
That's me. I hate early mornings.
Same here on weekends.
How do you explain your daily life in 1 or 2 sentences?
Easy. You can say, "I wake up early, go to work, and relax at night."
Or, I study in the morning and help my family in the evening.
Short sentences are perfect for beginners.
Goals are also part of talking about yourself.
Yes, you can say, my goal is to improve my English.
I want to find a good job.
I want to be healthier.
Small goals, big meaning. How do you describe how you feel today?
I say, I feel happy today.
Or, I feel a little tired, but okay.
I'm excited to learn.
Very helpful for natural conversations. Let's give our listeners a short, simple self-introduction they can repeat.
Yes. Here's an example. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Vietnam. I'm 20 years old. I'm a student. I like music, reading, and cooking. I'm friendly and shy. My goal is to speak English well.
That is clear, simple, and natural. Perfect for beginners.
You can change the details to make your own version.
In part 1, we learned how to introduce yourself, talk about your country, job, family, hobbies, and personality.
These are the basics, the foundation of every conversation.
In part 2, we'll go deeper.
Yes, how to talk about your past, your dreams, your feelings, and your life story.
Thank you for listening. Stay with us for part 2. Welcome back, everyone. In part 1, we talked about basic introductions. Now we'll go deeper. Your dreams, your feelings, your story, and your future.
Yes. This is the part where English becomes more personal and emotional.
And don't worry, we'll keep the English simple and beginner-friendly. Mark, when someone asks you, "Tell me more about yourself," what do you say?
I talk about my life in a soft, natural way. I say, I grew up in a small town, and now I live in the city.
That sounds warm and simple.
You can also say, I had a quiet childhood, or I was a curious kid.
That's a great way to bring your story to life. How can beginners talk about their past without using difficult grammar?
Just use short sentences.
For example, I lived in the countryside.
I went to a small school.
I played outside a lot.
My family worked hard.
These sentences are easy and natural.
What about dreams? How do you talk about your future dreams in simple English?
You can say, "My dream is to travel the world."
Or, I want to have a happy life.
I hope to speak English well.
I want to help my family.
Dreams make conversations deep and beautiful. Let's talk about feelings. How can you describe your personality and emotions in English?
You can say, I feel happy when I learn something new.
Or, I get nervous when I speak in front of people.
I feel calm when I'm with my family.
I feel excited about the future.
Feelings make your English human and honest.
What about personal values?
Good question. You can say, I care about kindness.
I believe in hard work.
I like simple things in life.
I try to be a good person every day.
These sentences help people understand who you truly are.
Sometimes people ask about your skills. How do you answer that?
Easy. You can say, I'm good at cooking.
I'm good at taking care of children.
I'm good at learning languages.
I'm good at planning things.
Skills show your strengths.
Sometimes people ask about your skills. How do you answer that?
Easy. You can say, I'm good at cooking.
I'm good at taking care of children.
I'm good at learning languages.
I'm good at planning things.
Skills show your strengths.
Mark, what's a simple way to talk about your life story?
Use short pieces, like this. I was born in a small town. I grew up near the mountains. My childhood was simple and happy. Now I live in the city and work every day to build my future.
That is simple, clear, and beautiful.
You don't need long grammar, just small steps.
Yes, a story is a story, even in simple English. How can beginners talk about goals without sounding complicated?
Just use want, hope, or would like.
For example, I want to get a good job.
I hope to make my family proud.
I would like to study abroad.
These sentences are simple, strong, and easy to remember.
How can someone describe what motivates them?
You can say, my family gives me strength.
I want to improve myself every day.
I love learning and growing.
I feel proud when I work hard.
Very natural, emotional English.
Let's give our listeners small talk patterns they can use.
Yes. For example, I'm working on my English these days.
I'm learning new things little by little.
I'm trying to be healthier.
I'm focusing on my goals.
Small talk, big confidence.
Let's make a simple example conversation.
Great idea.
Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Sure. I'm Daniel. I'm from Brazil. I work in a restaurant. I'm friendly and patient. I like playing football and listening to music. My goal is to improve my English and travel more.
That is clear, natural, and perfect for beginners.
You can create your own version using the same pattern.
Today, we learned how to talk deeply about yourself, your dreams, your feelings, your story, and your future.
Simple English, but full of meaning.
Talking about yourself is one of the best ways to grow your confidence.
Yes, every sentence you speak is a step forward.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing your English
Keep believing in yourself.
and keep speaking little by little every day.
Goodbye, dear listeners.
See you next time.